So most warehouses sitting on millions of dollars that can't be touched. And here's what I mean. There is a startup called Cartesian Kinetics that just created something called Omni Rack Robotics. First of its kind ever made. The problem is simple. Every warehouse in America was built decades ago. They weren't designed for robots. So when these warehouses owners want automation, they were told the same thing. Tear down your entire warehouse, rebuild everything, spend $10 million minimum, wait 6 months. Most can afford that, so they are start losing money every single day because labor costs keep rising and they can't keep up with demand. Cartesian Kinetics said screw that. Their system called Carte Plus installed directly onto the rack warehouse already have. No teardown, no reconstruction, 6 weeks to install, 5 times faster picking, 50% lower cost. But here is the challenge, they are launching a completely new category. Nobody has done this before. The technical execution has to be perfect. One failed install and the whole concept crashes. This is exactly what startups like Cartesian Kinetics need rapid execution partners. When you're building hardware, this never exists before in technical worlds fast. You need engineers who can debug a prototype overnight, test system before demo, fix what fails immediately. That's what we do at Silicon Valley Startup Garage. When the pressure's on, when the pressure is on and you need it done yesterday, we execute. First project 50% off. Speed wins. Always has, always will.